Hello everyone. My name is Naveen. I'm the instructor of your today course. In last few lecture, we episodes like Arudino, second episode. I think there was a boring one. Sorry for that. But we are added by the lecture of episode one are the major role in robotics, AI, and also upcoming things like we did study on how the software work, how the function are related to that, how the loops are going on that. I think there was a boring, but there is the more importance on that. So I think if you not watch episode 1 and 2, I highly recommend you to go and watch the first and second episode, because we are starting a series. My responsibility of that, I give you a professional in Arduino. So what you need to that, you just have to watch our series. So our today objective to have understanding of Ohm's law and how the Ohm's law apply on a real circuits and so and so. So we are making a project. Yes, we are making a project where we learn. So without further delay, let's start. So, what do you need to blink the LED? Yes, first one is LED. Yes, LED. LED have two terminal, positive, negative. Also known as a positive as a anode and negative one is cathode. Second one is the resistor. What the resistor is do is basically the limits the voltage of your device. If the voltage is high, your appliances or your digital devices will be burned. So the resistor are responsible to manage the voltage. And you have last, not the least, you have a battery. And just like our LED, they have the two terminal, positive and negative. So we are using a Tinkercad platform and upcoming sections. So what the Tinkercad do is basically they provide a web-based browser tool that allow user to design 3D models, circuits, and coding. The whole phenomena of Tinkercad is by learn by doing. You can learn, I am learn, and so. Anyone can learn by the Tinkercad. Some of the major company like IBM, Coursera, SAP, they are making a design on Tinkercad. So why we using Tinkercad? Because you don't need to buy any physical or hardware part. Yes, you don't need to buy any LED. You don't need to buy any resistor or battery. You can just easily drag and drop your virtual parts and build your circuit. This is very cool. Yes, and see how it work on a real life. Yes, you can see how your device or circuit will be work on a real life. This is the whole process of Tinkercad. You don't need to install any software. You don't need to any pay the Tinkercad. Yes, this is free to use, and also you don't need to install any software. So yes, we see our LED stand for light emitting diode. It is basically a semiconductor material that emits light and current go throughout them in a correct direction. This is the whole process of LED. You have a two terminal. We have positive known as a anode and negative known as a cathode. The high voltage and no low voltage, the current will be go throughout them high to low. So what the mean of that? If we have a resistor, they are responsible of managing our voltage. Yes, they balance our circuits or device. So if you like, you have a transformer at your home. Sorry, at your at you see and anywhere. So what the transformer is do is take the high voltage and provide a limited voltage like 230 volt to your home or a local area. So the limited voltage or balance voltage is called a resistance. Yes, we call as a resistance. So what if if you provide a high voltage to your home? So what you do, the high voltage will be burn your all devices, the break through all your circuits, your home, and also some of the major issue will be happen. So the responsibility of register in any device like your watch, your mobile, yeah, like your fan, the responsibility of register, they balance your device. They're not high power, they're not low power. They work on a balanced situation. Yes, this is the whole process of register uh, in more understandable way. They make sure your component don't fry. Yes. Okay, we good to go. So yes, we make a project. Yes, we are using a 9 volt of battery, and also we are using a LED, where LED is integrated with negative terminal of battery. You can see the red one is positive. The positive terminal of battery are going through the positive terminal of LED, and negative terminal of LED going throughout the negative terminal of battery. Let's we supply the maximum voltage, because you don't need to apply a ohms law. Yes, here comes the ohms law, because you limit the voltage just like our resistance. If we not limit our bulb, they burn or they blast. So here we comes the ohms law. Let's see what is ohms law. So in ohms law, where voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance, we demonstrate as V is equal to IR. V stand for voltage, I stand for current, and R is stand for resistors. And also, LED, you have a maximum rate of current level going throughout the maximum to high, maximum voltage to low voltage. Let's apply on a real world. So, 20 milliampere is standing rate of your LED. Uh, just like if I thought we have a maximum voltage of your LED is 20 milliampere, and we converted into ampere, like we converted our milliampere into ampere. So this is called 0.02 voltage, 0.02 ampere. This is we converted the milliampere into ampere. If you ensure there is only 20 milli of ampere of current is going throughout your LED, we will added some resistor to our circuit. Yes, we added a resistor because we applying a Ohm's law. So voltage is 9 volt, applying the Ohm's law, where 9 volt upon 0.02 ampere, because we converted the milliampere into ampere, 0.02 ampere. So what was the result is 450 ohms. This is the unit of current where we measure as a ohms, where you got 450 ohms. So so there is a 20 milliampere of current going throughout your LED. We added a resistor where the value of 450 ohm to our circuit. This is the whole conclusion of Ohm's law. Let's demonstrate them by the project. Yes, we applying a Ohm's law. We have a 9 volt of battery. You can see we have a 9 volt of battery, where we have a two terminal, just like our simple circuit. You have a positive terminal and also you have a negative terminal. What the negative terminal is do, connected with the negative terminal of battery, and positive terminal connected with the positive terminal of LED. What the thing is on that, we have added a resistor. Yes, we added a 450 ohms of resistor. 450 ohms, what they do is they balance the LED. Yes, we have to balance our LED. So they go long and long away. So what you means of that? You only need 450 ohm of resistance to balance the LED on a high power. Yes, this is the whole thing we study on. Is valuable. So if you do, hope, like and subscribe. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.